Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby! What are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that. But we need to be quiet. Huh? Ah! Phew! That was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment.